When the streets roared with rebellion in the late 1960s, the 1967 Pontiac GTO stood tall as the undisputed muscle car king, blending brute power with sleek, intimidating style. It wasn't just a carrot, it was a movement, a bold symbol of youth, performance, and Pontiac's fearless engineering spirit. By night, the GTO had already revolutionized the market it helped invent, and this particular model year marked the final chapter of the first generation, aggressive and unforgettable. Under its sculpted hood, the 1967 GTO featured a potent 400 cubic inch, 6.6-liter V8 engine, a new standard that replaced the previous 380. It came in several configurations. The base version made 330 horsepower with a 4-barrel carburetor, while the optional high-output HO version delivered 360 horsepower. Fourth, the legendary Ram Air package with functional hoods, even more torque and performance, though its advertised horsepower remained at 3, masking its true road presence. Torque figures soared past 430 pounds FT, making it a menace at every green light. Mated to either a 3-speed or 4-speed manual, or a new 467 TheAutoVerse Turbo-Hydramatic automatic transmission, the GTO was as flexible as it was ferocious. The 1967 model received several styling upgrades, a more refined front grille, dual-stacked headlights, and sleek body lines that exuded a sense of controlled aggression. Inside, Pontiac introduced a new energy-absorbing steering column and optional headrests. Among the first steps toward modern safety, the rally to wheels became an iconic visual cue, and a hood-mounted tachometer further screamed performance. Compared to its rivals like the Chevy Chevelle S396 or the Plymouth G, the GTO offered a more upscale interior and arguably better handling. Owing to Pontiac's sport-tuned suspension and optional heavy-duty upgrades, in the broader automotive landscape, the 1967 GTO held a revered position. It carried forward the muscle car torch with balanced, unapologetically powerful, yet refined enough for daily use. As competition intensified, with the Mustang growing in strength and Moper pushing out ever larger engines, the GTO remained Pontiac's proudest performance badge, securing its place in muscle car lore. Today, the 1967 Pontiac GTO is a crown jewel for collectors, restorers, and muscle car enthusiasts. Its role in the future lies in both preservation and reinvention. Restomod's upgraded classics, with modern powertrains, begun to showcase GTOs with LS engine, disc brakes, and digital tech while retaining their iconic shape. As electric conversions gain popularity, even a 1967 GTO might one day roar silently with instant torque. Yet no matter the form, its soul remains untamed. The 1967 GTO doesn't just represent a golden era, it defines it, and in doing so, continues to inspire what muscle should feel, sound, and look like in every generation to come.